Okay, we're in the kitchen, as promised. Now, I don't have a fancy kitchen. Told you I'm not Martha Stewart. You don't have to be to eat healthy or for it tastes good. I like to keep things simple. Even before, I was a flight attendant for a period of time, and you gotta pack your food and you gotta figure stuff out. Even being a flight attendant at school, you had to live out of your hotel room refrigerator, which was a lot of fun. You learn some quick tricks. So, anyway, I'm going to just show you a few things. Show my sister along with it. I hope she'll ask questions because any question that she has is probably one that you have as well. So, real simple. This is just a small example. Get some mixed vegetables. And I like and prefer any kind of the stir fry stuff. Pepper and onion blend. You can see that? Yeah, I'm advertising for Walmart. I don't like Walmart, but hey, whatever. So, and then get there's several different brands that do this, but you know, chicken strips. These are fajita versions.
So those are seasoned.
Yeah,
that's okay.
Seasoned. Yeah, that's fine. You know what? You gotta start somewhere. Good question. You gotta start somewhere. And don't think, oh my God, I'm gonna have to get organic, grass-fed,
Low
this,
sodium.
that, blah, blah, blah. Just start somewhere. Start eating better than you were yesterday. Quit the fast food and go to something that's going to be nutritious. This is somewhere to start. Yeah. Is there something better that you could choose in this? Yeah. But like I said, we're going to start simple. Okay? So we're going to take it. We're going to give you two options. So what you can do is take this bag. I'm just going to show you. This is what I did in flight attendant school.
Really?
I would take this because you left at 6 something in the morning and get back till 7 something at night. So I would just take it and dump it in my Tupperware.
Okay.
And I bought like balsamic vinaigrette dressing. I've got something different here. Where are my scissors at? Alright, so I've got my vegetables. I'm just going to pick a set. And I had more than one container. I would divide these up. Well, and also I'll thaw this out a little bit too.
Now, do you use any oil in that pan, or?
I'll get to that in a second. Hold on. So I'm dumping this out. Save that for another batch. And like I said, you can divvy up and split up this chicken into 2 containers like this. Okay? I'm just showing it for ease of use. And so I've got some Thai chili. Like I said, yeah, this has sugar in it. Whoopie-doo. Right now, we don't care. We're just trying to start somewhere to get in a habit of eating healthier, okay? So I would take this, and whatever you like, you can use Asian sesame. You can use, I would prefer you use light ranch. Use the light version. Use not the fat-free, the light version, okay? Because it still have fat and have flavor. Just pour this on top.
So you're okay with a little bit of fat?
Absolutely. That's a misnomer, misunderstanding about fat. It's the sugar and the carbs, the simple sugar and the carbs you have to watch. And so all I would do, literally, as I lick my fingers, pretend I've got the lid on this. Right now I'm not going to take the time. Here it is, it's in the Tupperware, and I just put it in the refrigerator. Let it just marinate all day. Alright? Or even, I would take this in the morning, even though it's not thawed out. By the time I got till lunchtime at school, it was ready to eat. And then I would have like 2 or 3 meals at least.
Okay. So did you get this at Walmart?
No, I think I got this at Aldi. It doesn't matter. They're all kind of the same. Like I said, don't stress on I have to get exactly this, exactly that. Frozen chicken strips, not breaded obviously, and mixed vegetables, stir-fry vegetables. So I would do it that way. Or, I got my little skillet here, a little electric skillet. Same kind of thing. I'm going to take my chicken. You want a hot meal versus kind of a salad. And cut it up. Cut it open, I should say.
So this is like a stir fry?
Yeah. Dump it in there. And you can season this like I like sesame oil. Like I said, I'm not against fat. It's the sugar and the carbohydrates you have to be careful of. The processed foods, okay? There's nothing processed in this. Oh,
What if you go out to eat and you're like at a Japanese restaurant and you eat hibachi? Is that
no rice. Just no rice. Just eat the vegetables. And they put a lot of fat and oil
So tell
in
them
their
to
food. No.
cut back on
No.
it? Or?
Well, the thing is that if you just focus on lots of vegetables and protein, and just don't do the rice, don't do the bread, don't do the noodles. Let that just go. You'll be all right. I mean, it's not like you're going out to eat every meal every day, but when you do go out to eat, that's what you should do. Okay?
What about shrimp?
Shrimp is great. Yeah. And so I've got my croissant. I can put some of this on there if I want to. You know, whatever you want. It's very simple. It's just basically good clean protein, colorful vegetables. And the other thing I will say about this, I'm going to cut this on, and I'm going to pour some water in here as
So
well.
no oil in that at all?
Yeah, I just poured sesame oil in there.
Oh, that's right. You did
Yeah.
say sesame oil.
Sesame oil is great for this kind of thing anyway. Just has a really good flavor. The thing I will tell you is don't overcook. Like, let this walk away for 30 minutes and then your vegetables are all just, you know, they're a different color. You don't recognize they're brown. So cook it just enough that, you know, everything gets heated through, and then just let it sit and simmer. Like, you can just turn it off and just let it absorb the flavors a little bit more, and then you have, you know, a stir-fry meal. Very simple, and you can do this in much bigger bowl and then prepare for the week. It's not rocket science. It might be different than what you're used to, but once you get in the habit, super, super simple. So, Teresa, any questions about any of this that maybe I can't do this, or I'm not going to like this, or
No, that's actually pretty good. Now, I do have I had hysterectomy, full hysterectomy, so I went full-fledged into menopause. So will eating healthy like this help me with hot flashes in my metabolism?
I think indirectly, absolutely. Any that's going to contribute to you feeling better overall. As far as hot flashes and sleeping, there are things that you can take that really do address those issues, and that's something maybe we can talk about on another day, on another video. That's a great idea. But as far as what you're eating, it won't directly impact in the sense that, oh, it's all my hot flashes. But it definitely will make a difference in how you feel and indirectly affect how that works. Because, I mean, I'm almost 50, and I just have not experienced, I know you've gone through hysterectomy, so it's a little bit different, but I have not experienced a lot of things that a lot of my friends have who haven't had hysterectomy, by the way. And I don't have sleep issues. I sleep very well. I feel good, etc. So I think that it would, you know, make an indirect influence in how you feel as far as your female sector. So we'll address that in another video. Don't forget. Okay. All right. So there's real simple eating for you.
Portions. How much? When that's done, how much of a portion would you suggest?
Okay, that's a good question. Great question. So, because it's clean eating, I would say eat until you're full. Like, literally, like, listen to your body. You'll get better at that. Because here's what happens is when you start really eating healthy, like clean eating, what you've been doing is your body's like creating a lot of minerals and vitamins. Then you're just so used to eating processed food that doesn't contain a lot of that you will find that this kind of food actually satiates you a lot more quickly. You're not hungry, and to me, it's kind of like not about I can only eat this much. I have to eat this and you have a portion of that. Eat as much as you want. Eat till you're full. That's my motto, because I'm not one of these. You have to have 6 meals a day. You have to portion out everything. There's not a formula. It's really about just fueling your body for the day or for whatever's going on, and not thinking about, okay, food making me happy, or not that that's what you're talking about, or that I can't have this, or I can only have this much of this. I just don't live that way.
Right, because a lot of people think you got to starve yourself if you're going to lose weight.
Yeah, no.
So that's why I was asking about portions.
Absolutely not the case. In fact, let me look at this. I could probably eat a third of that easily.
Wow.
Easily at a meal, depending on, you know, how much I worked out, how hungry I am. But that doesn't mean I would eat that at every meal. Just, you know, listen to your body. Learn to listen to what your body really needs instead of what your appetite or your habits have kind of dictated to you. So get away from processed food. refined foods, and just eat clean. Eat like your grandparents used to eat 50 years ago. And because really, the devil is in the carbohydrates, the sugars and the muffins and the breads and pasta and rice. Just let it go. Trust me, you'll feel better. It might take a while for you to adjust, but it'll be worth it. Okay? Anything else?
No, that's pretty much said it.
Okay, yay! All right, thanks.